Here's how to create a deal folder and upload your submissions into the platform. Once you've logged in, on the left-hand side here, you should see questionnaires or deals. Click on this tab here, which will pull up this page here. Now head to New and provide the platform some information about the submission you're about to upload here. Provide it some information about the actual deal itself and associate it with a company. Once you've created the folder, you can then click into it to open it up, where you'll now see that there are two different ways that you can import your submissions to the platform. On the right-hand side here, we provide you with a unique deal folder email address. So if you would like to just forward any submissions, any emails from your prospects or from your colleagues, you can do so by using this here. And Privasee's AI is smart enough to read through that email, pull out any ad hoc questions alongside any attachments or documents that are there as well. Or what you can do is head over to here, click Add New Customer Submission, and then where you'll be able to either click here to find it on your hard drive, or you can actually just go ahead and drag and drop the file into the platform. Always make sure that we are on automated import here, because that will allow Privasee's AI to start scraping through your knowledge base, through your documents, to pull out any sources of information that we can start generating those responses there for you. Give the platform a couple of minutes to actually process the file that you've uploaded there. You will receive an email as soon as it has been fully processed. And once that's happened, you can then go ahead and click into the submission to start working through the questions here as well. And that's how you can create a deal folder and upload your submissions into the platform.